Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand the trim and escape XML function tags. So this would be interesting. Now these tags are pretty simple to use. In fact, in here, for example, if I type in fn trim, then what happens is in here we have this function, right? Now using this function we can trim information. Now what exactly is this trimming? For example, in here I give a string, and the string is, for example, couple of spaces, steady, then again couple of spaces, then dot, then again couple of spaces, and then org. Now in here there are like multiple spaces in between, right? Now these are additional extra spaces. In general, whenever we make use of spaces, there would be only one space in between two words, right? Now what this function trim will do is it will remove all the extra spaces. It will trim out all the extra spaces. Now let me show you the output. Alright, so here is the output, and if I show you, there is only one space before steady, there is a space in between steady and easy, there is a space in between easy and dot, and finally there is only one space after dot and org. Now the reason why we are able to skip on all of these extra space is definitely trim. So the usage of trim is very simple. If we would like to remove all the extra spaces from a text, then definitely the trim function can be used. In place of the direct text, definitely we can also make use of the variables, the JSTL variables. Alright. Now moving forward, let us quickly check yet another tag, which is escape XML tag. Now before using this tag, let me show you a very simple HTML tag, which is h1 tag. Now I am pretty sure that you are aware of h1 tag, so we will simply use of this tag and we will type in h1 escape XML demo and closing of h1 tag. Now what happens is it will make this particular string escape demo as a heading 1, right? So let me refresh this page and we have this heading in here. Now if there is a scenario where we want to skip the tags, any tags, may it be for example HTML tag or XML tag, any tag. Now in these kind of scenario we can make use of escape XML tag. Now the way is very simple. In here we will again type in fn escape XML and we will pass on the string. Definitely we can also pass on a variable in place of the string. That's up to you, up to the programmer. So in here we will directly paste in this string where we also have this particular tags embedded. Now if I refresh this page, what happens is when we make use of escape XML tag, the tags will have no impact. They would be printed as it is. So this is the usage of XML tag, escape XML tag. It will prevent the tags to work. It will escape the tags to work. Alright, so this is a very quick and easy tutorial based on trim and escape XML tags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.